Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Sunjoe SPX3000 14.5 amp electric high-pressure washer. If you're in the market for a powerful and versatile cleaning tool, then you're in the right place. With a 14.5 amp 1800 watt motor and a pump type of Wobble-Plate piston, this pressure washer is designed to tackle a variety of cleaning tasks with ease. From homes and buildings to RVs, cars, and even boats, the Sunjoe SPX3000 has got you covered. Plus, with two 0.9 liters onboard detergent tanks, you can effortlessly switch between different cleaning projects without the hassle of refilling. One of the standout features of this pressure washer is the Total Stop System (TSS), which automatically shuts off the pump when the trigger is not engaged, saving energy and prolonging the pump's life. It's also equipped with a cord lock to keep everything secure during use. So, if you're ready to take your cleaning game to the next level, click the link in the description to get your hands on the Sunjoe SPX3000 14.5 amp electric high-pressure washer. Trust us, you won't regret it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more reviews and product recommendations. Thanks for watching.